Drunken Elephant is one of the biggest beauty brands in the world, generating hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue, and they've done so with the help of this welcome series that I'm gonna break down in this video. My name's Gavin, I run an email and SMS marketing agency, and I like making these videos really just to share tips and tricks on email and SMS marketing strategies. Now, I'm gonna go over a file. In this file, I'm gonna go over the welcome series, and I'm actually downloaded the welcome series from Drunken Elephant, and I'm gonna give you 3 specific things that you can take and implement into your own business that Drunken Elephant is currently doing incredibly well. Now, you actually have access to this file that I'm gonna share on my screen in about 18 seconds. If you want to click the link in the description of this video, it'll take you to my school community where you can then sign up. I highly recommend it, completely free, and then get access to the file. But without wasting any of your time, let's get into the video. All right, you actually have access to this file, link in the description of the video. It'll take you to my free school community, which you'll see right here, and you'll see my handsome face show up, but right here. It'll take you directly into here, and then you'll get access to this file here. But I wanted to focus on the welcome series. Now, in this file, there's a bunch of other emails that you can take a look at as well. But from a welcome series perspective, here's really what I want to focus on, and I downloaded this. So really quickly, there are 3 things that this welcome series does really well. There's one thing that I'd like to see improved, but overall, take a look at this. The first email. I always say this when it comes to email marketing. The first email that should be delivered in the welcome series should purely focus on delivering the code that was promised on the sign-up form. Now, obviously, you want to include the discount code in the sign-up form as well. And if you don't understand why, check out the school community. I have a bunch of free training on that stuff. But as you can see here, first email very clearly gives the reader the discount code right here. Now, I don't love these, really complex, long discount codes. They don't actually prevent any fraud because the unique identifier isn't actually the code, it's the email that uses the code, but whatever. So you have the discount code right above the fold. So as you can see here, in this email, you don't even have to scroll down to actually see the discount code. And I recommend every business do this in their welcome series. When it comes to providing the discount code for the welcome series, put it right at the top and prevent the reader from even having to scroll down to see a call to action right here and the discount code. So they've done a really good job of making sure it's front and center. I mean, also the branding's really solid as well. And then that's the primary one, the number 1, they have the discount code in the header section. I also give them bonus points here for, I love icons like this. Who are these suspicious 6? They've done such a good job here. Like, just having a picture tell words like this is just gonna be so much more effective than anything else that I've seen. Really solid job there. So number 1, discount code. Really quickly, sorry to interrupt the video. I just wanted to tell you something really cool that we've started doing with Inbox. I've actually created a school community where I teach you anything and everything I know about email and SMS marketing, from really advanced campaign strategies to how to simply set up your Klaviyo account, all the way to building really cool automations for the back end of your e-commerce store. Whether you're a business owner trying to learn how to do email marketing or an email marketer trying to learn how to become a better email marketer, there is a link in the description to this school community where I teach you everything I know. Check it out, it's worthwhile. Book a call to have a chat with me to see if you're a right fit for the community, and if you are, I'd love to get you in there. Anyway, sorry for interrupting your video, let's get back to it. Number 2, which they do here in this third, or rather second email, is they have categories here. So naturally, they've obviously reminded readers of their discount code. That's something that a lot of businesses forget, okay? This is not number 2, but it is one of the things they do really well, is they remind the reader of their discount code in the email. That discount code should be reminded in every single email that a non-customer gets. But the second thing that they do really well, that's better than most, is they break down their products into collections. Drunken Elephant has a lot of products on their store. There's like a lot, okay? And so what they've done is they've taken their entire store and they've bundled it up into 4 specific sections, which makes it a heck of a lot easier for the reader to process the massive amount of SKUs that are being offered by this business. And what they've done here is just done a really good job. What's your fancy? Moisturizer, serums, masks and treatments, or cleansers. They've taken a store with hundreds of SKUs and blocked it into 4 primary categories. And all you have to do is click on one of these, and I guarantee you, when you click one of these buttons here, this will tag your profile. So not only have they gone ahead and shown, or rather highlighted their massive range of offerings and just put it into 4 simple categories that pretty much everyone will know, what they've also done is they've probably, I can't confirm this, but they've probably tagged people when they click these categories. And when they tag that profile, they then know for future email campaigns what people are interested in. So if somebody here clicks moisturizers, it will take them to the moisturizer section of their store, but it'll also tag them so that for future campaigns, they can send more campaigns that focus on moisturizers to that segment of audience, meaning that their email campaigns are more targeted in the future. That's number 2. So number 1, discount code, bonus point, reiterating the discount code up here. Number 2, dividing and categorizing their store really solidly, just by really 4 specific categories. And then number 3, which I really like, is this final one here, which is the email from the founder providing the mission statement. This is solid. Now, the only thing I would change here is to make this email plain text to make it seem more human. But what I really like when brands do this is they try and tie in the brand story into the final parts of the emails to really strengthen that connection between reader and business. And they've done so by really speaking from the first person. So if you take a look at this, right? When I started Drunken Elephant, my goal was simple. They're speaking as if it's me, when I do this, when I did this. And it's trying to create that one-on-one connection between the reader. Now, yes, it does look like it's written by AI with these M dashes, but whatever, you get the idea. They've really tried to tie in the founder story and leverage that connection between reader and business owner. And what's happened here too is the only downside, to be honest, is it's not plain text. So this is written as if it's a creative email, and it's written as if it's like or rather designed as an image-based email. Personally, to further strengthen the connection between the reader and the business, I like to use plain text emails because those seem more human. Now, a plain text email is an email written without any creative, and it looks like it's coming from a person, okay? Like, let me show you here. A plain text email in my inbox would be an email that I write like this. Once it decides to load, here we go. Hello, my name is Gavin. That is a plain text email. And it's written as if it's coming directly from me. And when you build those types of emails into your funnel, they seem more human, they get better deliverability because they're plain text, and they also build that authenticity more than something like this would. Overall though, really solid welcome series by Drunken Elephant. If you want access to this, just click the link down below. It'll take you directly to my school community to sign up. Along with that, there's a bunch of other cool emails in here that you can have access to as well. I put a bunch of this stuff in my school community. Check it out. Link in the description. There's a bunch of free training and a bunch of other lead magnets just like this. Thanks for watching.